Inside massive rotating roasters, peanuts roast uniformly, developing aroma and flavor essential.
Sensors continuously monitor viscosity, pressure, and flow rate to ensure consistent filling behavior later.
The temperature reading is stable.
Perfect. We are clear for filling.
The vision system confirms the front and back labels are perfectly aligned to regulatory standards.
Almost done with this pallet.
I'm taking this cart up front.
Should we get the smooth one again?
I think the crunchy would be better for the recipe.
You're right, let's go with this one.
Your total is $10.50. Thank you.
The satisfaction scores are consistently high across all regions.
Yes, and the feedback on the texture has improved significantly since the last adjustment.
As you can see, the seasonal spikes are driving unprecedented demand. We need to adjust Q3 and Q4 production volumes
The
immediately.
demand forecast supports the extended runtime on shift 3.
Agreed. Let's push this through and maximize output.
We've expanded our raw peanut supply chain, bringing in larger volumes while maintaining consistent quality and traceability across all regions.
We've optimized the grinder speed. The conveyor timing seems stable at this rate.
Yes, the consistency is perfect. We can maintain this output.
Watch the pressure gauge right here. Maintain 20 psi for the correct viscosity.
Okay, 20 psi.
We've successfully expanded our shelf presence across multiple retail chains, increasing brand visibility and customer reach.
The texture consistency has held steady for the past 3 quarters. Yes, oil separation rates are also well within tolerance.
Employees are fully compliant with the hygiene protocols.
Agreed. The allergen control measures seem robust at this station.
Everything seems to be in order. The documentation is thorough.
Agreed. Let's certify the facility.
As part of our compliance program, all food safety certifications and audit results are recorded digitally and displayed on site.
We can fit the high protein run on Thursday using the existing equipment. Perfect. Move the organic batch up to Tuesday morning.
Heat recovered from roasting and pasteurization is reused to preheat incoming air and water, reducing overall energy consumption.
These lids are significantly lighter, reducing our transport emissions.
And the jar's recycled content meets
The shipments from Georgia are all certified.
Yes, the real-time tracking confirms the sustainable origins.
The production phase emissions are our highest impact.
If we switch to renewables for manufacturing, we could see a significant drop.
Look for our new eco-friendly labels on all sustainably sourced products.
Demand spiked in the Northeast. We need to adjust the output for Plant 3.
Done. The synchronization is complete.
Perfect. Inventory levels are stable across all regions.
The storm is hitting the Georgia crops. We need to reroute immediately.
I'm already contacting the reserves in Argentina.
Strategic safety stock levels are maintained in warehouses to ensure uninterrupted real supply during demand spikes or delays.
If we optimize the labeling stage, we reduce the bottleneck here.
And look at the results. We've exceeded our targets for the quarter.
Ensure the temperature holds steady at 95 degrees for sterilization.
Okay, I've adjusted the flow rate on the HMI.
The volatility in the peanut commodity index is still high.
Yes, but our stabilization strategies are working. Look, the cost curves are finally flattening out.
Our Q3 forecast shows a 20% increase.
We need to align that with the promotion schedule for the Northeast region.
Absolutely. Let's sync the calendars and finalize the volume.
Long-term supply assurance achieved.
These metrics confirm the energy efficiency gains we projected.
Yes, the low-waste system is performing exceptionally well. We are ready for rollout.
Suppliers, factories, and retailers connect through real-time data platforms, enabling faster response to market changes.
The protein content here is remarkable.
And the balance of healthy fats makes it ideal for daily consumption.
For generations, it's been the taste you can always count on, a symbol of long-term reliability.
Climate-resilient farming techniques protect peanut supply against environmental changes.
With 100% compliance and advanced allergen control, we are proud to set the global food safety benchmark. Our new global expansion means factories in key regions, reducing transport costs and ensuring peak freshness for our peanut butter.
Advanced automation adoption, next-generation robotics and AI systems further improve hygiene, efficiency, and consistency.
The dynamic modeling confirms the increased bioavailability.
Excellent. Proceed with the stability trials on the new batch.
Our commitment to sustainable growth and responsible production practices is officially certified.
automated, minimizing human contact. We conduct rigorous quality checks at every
Go ahead and adjust the dial slowly. That ensures the texture is consistent before it hits the line.
Okay, making sure the flow matches the setting.
Here you go, eat this. It's packed with the nutrition you need to grow strong.
As you can see, the updates reflect our long-term goals. We've significantly improved safety metrics and reduced waste across the board.
From the farm to your table and back again, we ensure a sustainable, circular supply chain for our peanut butter.
Here's your toast, honey.
It's so good.